Hi guys, in this session I will explain the Spring Boot applications, how to download and how to run the application. It's very simple, so I will explain. Okay, the Spring initializer, you go to here and you see I'm selecting the Maven project and Spring Boot application 3.4.1 I'm selecting, so you can choose anyone, that's fine. Okay, suppose if you select 3.4.1, you need Java 17 because Spring Boot 3.4.1 is compatible with Java 17. Okay, it will support only Java 17, it won't support below Java 17. Okay, like Java 6, Java 16, 15 it won't support. Okay, now you see the project name I given demo. This is the artifact ID, group ID, and this is the description. Okay, I am adding one dependency, Spring Boot Web. I am adding only one dependency I am adding, and explore this how it will come the pom.xml, and this is the structure also. Okay, this is structure, it will come, it will download. If you download it will come this and all. So what is this parent? I will explain this parent. This is a Spring Boot starter parent, and the group ID whatever we have given in the project metadata, the same it will come here. This is the project name and group ID, and this is the artifact ID, and this is the version. Let me show you this one. So we are giving these things right in the project metadata, the same thing it will come into here. Okay, and you can ignore this time. This is source control management, this time no need, so you can ignore this one, this and all, so no need. So the properties in the properties section, you see here the Java version we are mentioning Java 17 because we are using Spring Boot 3.x. okay, Spring Boot 3.x, it supports from Java 17, and we have selected only one dependency, the Spring Boot starter web we have selected. Okay, by default it will come the test also. This is for writing the test cases, nothing else. Okay, this is I am adding. Okay, this is for Maven plugin, it will come. Okay, let me show you. You see Spring Web I have added, right? The same dependency it will add here. Okay, same dependency. What is the advantage with the Spring Boot starter parent? I will explain that also. So what we will do, we will download this application. So we will download. So if you download this, how it will come? It will come like this, the same structure, same project structure it will come. This is the demo application. Okay, these are the properties, the resources. So whatever you want to give, you can give here. This is the test is for writing the test cases. Okay, for this time this no need, simple application I am downloading. I will explain you that also. So this is the structure. So just click on the download, so it will download. You see here it's downloaded. You come to the downloads, the download section. Okay, let me keep into the separate folder in Spring Boot. Yeah, I'm keeping into here. That's where you can keep it anywhere in your mission. Okay, I'm extracting this, so it extracted. Now demo, this project is downloaded. Okay, you see here I'm opening the IntelliJ. We need prerequisites, right? One is IntelliJ and Java 17 and Maven. Okay, but I'm using the IntelliJ, so I'm clicking on open. So where I have downloaded under Spring Boot. Okay, the Spring Boot, this one, I'm clicking on the open. It is opening as a project. You see the pom.xml. If you see the pom.xml, whatever I shown into the Spring initializer in the Google Chrome, the same it will come, right? It came. Okay, this is the Spring parent, and this and all I will explain later. This source control management, usually for downloading the source from the Git or SVN. So this time no need this and all. Okay, ignore this one. The properties I already explained this one, and this is the Spring starter web, it came. Okay, and this is for this one. Okay, as of now I didn't explain what is used for parent. I will explain that also. Okay, now you guys, you see here, so I just opened into my IntelliJ. Okay, I just opened in my IntelliJ. What are the libraries here? You see here. Oh, it's downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded. Actually, once we download, so it won't come this and all. Okay, let me clean and show you. Okay, the first time, right, it won't come this and all, so only this is available. I'm cleaning. Let me see if I clean it will go or not. Yeah, just it's cleaned. Okay, actually it won't available first time, so whenever it Maven project loads, then it will come. Okay, these are for, this is for Java, this is for Maven. Okay guys, I will show you that also. Wait, first what I will do, I have downloaded and opened into my IntelliJ. This all libraries is loaded from the Maven repository. I mean downloaded from the Maven repository, and it's available in my local machine. Okay, now I'm running the application. This is application, you see. This is the Spring Boot application. This annotation is responsible to run the application. Okay, suppose if you run this application, you see how it is. Yeah, it is running. You see in the demo application it is running, right? Yeah, the Spring. Okay, this is Spring. You see the started demo application. It's started on, you see Tomcat started on port 8080. Guys, you see here it started, right? 8080. Okay, suppose if you give the 8080 from the browser, you see what will come. Okay, 8080. It is running. You see something, it is responding. This is very simple application. Nothing we did. Just simple application, but it is responding. Okay, let me stop it and show you. I am stopping. Okay, I stopped the application. You see, graceful shutdown. This one, first it started and now it's shut down, right? Now I am coming here and reloading this page. See, this site cannot be reached because this 8080 port number, it is running on here. Okay, let me run it and I will show you again. Now it started the application. Okay, now I'm going browser. You see it is responding, right? 8080 port number is responding. Okay, now I'm stopping. Now after stopping, it will show here. It is shut down. Okay, up to here it is fine. Guys, come here. Come to this one. What is the Spring Boot parent? This is very important, right? The Spring Boot parent, what it will do, it will download the dependencies jar. Suppose if we are using this jar, it depends some other libraries jar. Those jars also it will download. It's downloaded here. You see here. See, you see, I added only one dependency, Spring Starter Web. But Spring Starter Web, it's required some other dependency also. It came for that also. You see here. See, I have selected only Spring Web. Where is the Spring Web? This one, Spring Web. This Spring 6.x version it is using. You see Spring 6.x because Spring Boot, it's downloaded from Spring Boot starter, the parent. Okay, Spring Boot 3.x, it's download 6.x versions. Okay, but I have given only this one, right? But apart from this, all dependencies, all jars also, libraries also downloaded. How it is, where it is from downloading, because we are telling to download those jars also. Okay, suppose if I remove this one, this and all it won't download. I will show you that also. Okay, so I do not want to build this time. Build I have removed, and I'm removing the parent library. Okay, now I'm coming to this one. This is the Maven Intel. Okay, this is Maven window. You see, I'm reloading. You see here, it is giving an issue. What is the issue? See here, Spring Boot Starter Web unknown not found. Okay, you read this one. It is expecting some other libraries also. So for that we need Spring parent, or else what you have to do, that required dependencies you have to add here. Then you can resolve that issue. Okay, let me remove this also. Suppose I do not want this. So how it is downloading this and all, it should go out, right? So parent I have removed, even web also I don't want. So nothing is there. Let me reload. I have reloaded. Okay, I have reloaded. You see all dependencies it went, right? You see it is not showing only the Java libraries. I'm using the Java 17. Those libraries also it is showing. Got it? Okay, let me do it again. The Spring parent. Okay, the Spring parent. Now I have added, you see this dependency is not yet loaded. I am loading into the Maven, then it's downloaded from the Maven repository. Okay guys, you are clear, right? What is the advantage with the Spring Boot starter parent? The Spring Boot starter parent, it downloads the required dependencies. Okay, you see here I have added only one dependency. Along with this, whatever it is required, right? So those dependencies also it will give, like this starter, Tomcat we need for running the application, and this and all, auto configuration, AOP this and all, it's downloaded. That's why we need Spring Boot starter. Okay, yeah, I will show you the slides. So what we did. Yeah, so what is Spring Boot? Spring Boot actually it uses the Spring framework. The Spring framework, it is from Spring 1.x to Spring currently Spring 6.x. okay, let me run it. Spring 1.x to now Spring 6.x. In the Spring 1.x, so everything we are keeping into the, everything means front end and back end, it was into the one application, but after that it changes in 6.x. it so only for backend, and only for backend we are using in the current industry, and it supports Java 17, Spring Boot 3.x version. Okay, Spring Boot 3.x version, this is the combination. Okay, Spring Boot 3.x is compatible with Java 17 and downloads the 6.x libraries. The same I shown you here, right? Suppose if you use 3.x version, so you see here Spring 6.x library is downloaded. Spring. Okay, thank you. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.